Good morning, students. So, in previous class, we are discussing about part E question, that is in part E section, question number 50A belongs to under linear programming problem. That part is already discussed. So, in part E, last question, that is question number 50B belongs to under continuity problems based on continuous function, that is 4-mark question. In your question paper part E question number 50B ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಓಕೆ now let us discuss about one by one problem in continuous function very simple concept ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂತ 50th ಬಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದು 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ determine the value of k if the function f of x is equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x if the condition x is not equal to pi by 2 and f of x equal to 3 if x is equal to pi by 2 is continuous function at the point x is equal to pi by 2. Before solving the problem, you must know the concept of continuous function. Now continuous function andrenu, define continuity. Remember, a function y is equal to f of x is said to be continuous function at the point in general x equal to a if and only if the following two conditions are satisfied. Condition number 1, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. First condition is LHL is equal to RHL. LHL means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Condition number 2, limit of f of x as x tends to in general a is equal to f of a is defined. If these two conditions are satisfied, it is said to be continuous at the point x equal to a. Out of two conditions, any one condition does not exist. Suppose LHL is not equal to RHL, then the given function f of x is discontinuous or which is not continuous at the point x equal to a. Eradu conditions satisfied adra it is said to be continuous at the point x equal to a. Out of two condition, any one condition fail. Suppose modle condition satisfied aglilla andre the given function is discontinuous. Suppose ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್. If both the conditions are satisfied, LHL is equal to RHL, and condition number 2, limit of f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a is defined. What it means, ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು, ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 2 satisfied. If both are satisfied, it is continuous. Out of 2, any one condition does not exist, it is discontinuous. Okay, now based on the definition of continuous function, now here the first problem in part E 4-mark question. What is that? Determine the value of k such that the function f of x equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x if x is not equal to pi by 2. If x equal to pi by 2, f of x value 3 is continuous at the point x equal to pi by 2. Already the given data is continuous. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ LHL is equal to RHL ಇದೆ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a is defined. Then to find the value of k. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, x is not equal to pi by 2. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2, ಈ ಥರ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ LHL ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ RHL. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಯಾವುದು, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2? ಏನಿದೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಮೊದಲು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2, what is f of x value? K cos x divided by pi minus 2x. ಹೌದಾ? Now verify. Now definition of limit ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? The value of the given function as x approaches to a must be finite value. Check it whether given data is it finite or infinite or indeterminate. First you have to check it. Put x equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degree. Cos of pi by 2 means 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. Divided by pi minus 2 into x value pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2. 2 to cancel, that is pi. Pi minus pi 0. Illi 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is in the form 0 by 0 form. So what can you do? Simplify. Now that is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2. Simplify given data till you get finite value. How to convert it? K, right? K as it is. Cos x can be written as using allied angle. We can write sin of 90 minus x. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ, because sin of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. ಹೌದಾ? Divided by, in the denominator take 2 common. 2 common ತೆಗೀರಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ. 2 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? pi by 2 minus x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Take 2 common. 2 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ pi by 2 minus x. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 into pi by 2. 2 cancel, that is pi. Minus 2 into x, 2x. Right? Now here k constant, 2 constant take outside. That is k by 2 into limit x tends to pi by 2. Sin of 90 minus x divided by 90 degree minus x. Right? That is k by 2. Clearly it is in the form, put pi by 2 minus x, call it as theta. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is also theta. As you know that sin theta by theta value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You know that sin limit of sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0 is equal to how much? Standard result 1. Now here as x tends to pi by 2, sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0, theta value is pi by 2 minus x. As x tends to pi by 2 implies pi by 2 minus x tends to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? x tends to pi by 2 means put x equal to pi by 2. x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 ಹಾಕಿ. pi by 2 minus pi by 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 0. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ x tends to pi by 2 ಬದಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, pi by 2 minus x tends to 0. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0, its value is 1. So that is limiting value is here k by 2. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? k by 2. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು? ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ at the point x is equal to pi by 2, that is given. So by definition of continuity, apply condition number 2. What is that condition 2? Limit of f of x as x tends to pi by 2 is equal to f of a. A value is here pi by 2. You know that condition number 2 in continuity. Limit of f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a. But here a value is given pi by 2. Now this implies, but limit of f of x as x tends to pi by 2. Solve ಮಾಡಿದರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು? k by 2 is equal to limit of, that is f of pi by 2. f of x at x equal to pi by 2 value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3. Okay. Cross multiply. k is equal to 2 into 3, 6. So the value of k is 6. Very simple concept. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ at the point x equal to pi by 2, by definition of continuity, limit of f of x as x tends to pi by 2 is equal to f of pi by 2, but limiting value is here k by 2 is equal to f of x at x equal to pi by 2 value 3. Cross multiply, k is equal to 6. Clear students? ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ನೋಡ್ರಿ 4 mark question. Okay, another problem, determine the value of k if f of x is equal to kx square, if x is less than or equal to 2, f of x equal to 3 if x is more than 2, is continuous function at the point x is equal to 2. Again the given data is continuous, then to find the value of k. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ inequality ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, less than more than. So you can apply whether condition number 1 or condition number 2 for continuity. Apply condition number 1. Inequality ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, condition use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Condition number 1, what is LHL, limit of f of x as x tends to a minus, what is a value that is given, 2 minus, that equals limit x tends to 2 minus, select the function f of x such that x is less than 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ f of x ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದಾವು, ಇವೆರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, x is less than 2 ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x less than 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, x is less than 2, its corresponding value is kx square. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ put x equal to 2, k into x value 2 power 2, 2 square 4 into k. This is LHL. Then to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus, again select the function f of x such that x is more than 2. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x is more than 2 value 3. So limit of 3 as x tends to 2, again it becomes 3. Since the function f of x is continuous at the point x is equal to 2, therefore by definition of continuity LHL is equal to RHL. This implies LHL value 4k, RHL is 3, therefore divide by 4, k is equal to 3 divided by 4. So the value of k is 3 by 4. 4 mark question. ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, determine the value of k if the function f of x equal to kx plus 1, if the condition x is less than or equal to 5, 3x minus 5 if x is more than 5 is continuous at x equal to 5. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಏನಿದೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 1, LHL and RHL. Now to find LHL, definition of LHL, limit of f of x as x tends to a value is 5 minus, that is equal to limit x tends to 5 minus, select the function f of x such that x is less than 5. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x is less than 5 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, so its value is kx plus 1. Put x is equal to 5, k into 5 plus 1, that is 5k plus 1. This is LHL. Okay, then to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 5 plus, that is limit x tends to 5 plus, select the function f of x such that x is more than 5. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x is more than 5, corresponding value 3x minus 5. Okay, now put x equal to 5, 3 into 5 minus 5, 3 into 5 15 minus 5, that is 10. Okay, since the function f of x is continuous function at the point x is equal to 5, therefore by definition of continuity LHL is equal to RHL. But what is LHL value? 5k plus 1 is equal to RHL is 10. Simplify, 5k is equal to 10. That 1 goes to right side, minus 1. So this implies 5k is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. Divide by 5, k is equal to 9 divided by 5. So the value of k is 9 divided by 5. Okay. So inequality mention ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ apply condition 1, that is to find LHL and RHL, equate those two, go on simplify, it will get the value of k. Okay. Problem number 4, determine the value of k if f of x equal to kx plus 1, if x is less than or equal to pi, f of x equal to cos x if x is more than pi, is continuous at the point x equal to pi. Again inequality is given, so apply condition number 1. Now to find LHL, limit of f of x as x tends to a value pi minus, that is limit x tends to pi minus, select the function f of x such that x is less than pi, that sign indicate select the function f of x such that x is less than pi. Ide nodri, x is less than pi, corresponding value kx plus 1, correct? Now put x is equal to pi, k into pi plus 1. This is LHL. Then to find RHL, right hand limit, limit of f of x as x tends to pi plus, select the function f of x such that x is more than pi. More than pi ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, cos x. Cos x. Put x is equal to pi, radian. So pi means 180 degree. You know that cos of 180 degree value how much? Minus 1. Since the function f of x is continuous at the point x is equal to pi, therefore by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL. What is LHL? K pi plus 1 is equal to RHL is minus 1. Further simplify, k into pi is equal to minus 1. That plus 1 goes to right side, minus 1. Implies k into pi is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Divide by pi, k is equal to minus 2 divided by pi. So the value of k is minus 2 divided by pi. Okay. Next problem, determine the value of a and b such that the function defined by f of x is equal to 5 if x is less than or equal to 2, f of x equal to ax plus b if x lies between 2 and 10, that is 2 is less than x, less than 10, and 21 if x is more than or equal to 10, is continuous function. Now here the given data is continuous function at the points. What are the points? Now here repeated points are 2, 2 and repeated point is here 10. So by taking, there are two cases. Now first one is it is continuous at the point x equal to 2 and also it is continuous at the point x equal to 10. Now first you take at the point x is equal to 2. Now here inequalities are given, so we can apply condition number 1. Now to find left hand limit, LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus, that is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus, select the function f of x such that x is less than 2. Yavudide nodri, x less than 2, illide x is less than 2, its value is 5. So limit of 5 as x tends to 2 minus is 5 itself. This is LHL. Then to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus, that is limit as x tends to 2 plus. Select the function f of x such that x is more than 2. x more than 2 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Yes. Here 2 less than x. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 less than x is same as x is more than 2. ಈಗ 2 is less than 3. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? 2 is less than 3. 2 3ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೂ ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ? That is nothing but 3 is more than 2. Like that here 2 is less than x implies x is more than 2. So select the function f of x such that x is more than 2. Its value is ax plus b. 2 less than x is nothing but x is more than 2. Its value ax plus b. Okay. Now put x is equal to 2. X value 2 haki. A into 2 plus b. That is 2a plus b. This is RHL. Since the function f of x is continuous, which is continuous at the point x is equal to 2, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL. What is LHL? 5. RHL 2a plus b. Call it as equation 1. Okay, call it as equation 1. Next, at the point x is equal to 10, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Now again to find LHL, limit of f of x as x tends to LHL, that is 10 minus, that equals limit x tends to 10 minus. It means select the function f of x such that x is less than 10. Iden nodi. Yes, this is x less than 10. Corresponding value ax plus b. Put x equal to 10. A into 10 plus b. That is equal to 10a plus b. Correct? Huh? Next, to find RHL, right hand limit. Limit of f of x as x tends to 10 plus, that is limit x tends to 10 plus. What it means? Select the function f of x such that x is more than 10. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. x is more than 10. Corresponding value 21. Limit of 21 is 21 itself. Now since the function f of x is continuous at the point x is equal to 10, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL. Now LHL value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 10a plus b. RHL value 21. Call it as equation 2. Now solving these two equations, simultaneous equation, to find the value of a and b. Nodri, equation 1, 2a plus b is equal to 5. Equation 2, 10a plus b is equal to 21. Solving those two equations to find the value of a. Suppose to find the value of a, eliminate b. Conversely, to find the value of b, eliminate a. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ a find out ಮಾಡೋಣ, b eliminate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಇದೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ b. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಇದೆ. ಎರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ b? ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 minus equation 2 gives, subtract those two equation, 2a minus 10a ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? minus 8a plus b minus b, minus into plus minus b, cancel, is equal to 5 minus 21, 5 subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವಲ್ಲ, minus 21 minus 16. So minus 8a is equal to minus 16, divide by minus 8, minus 16 divided by minus 8, 8 ones are 8 twos are, therefore a is equal to minus into minus plus, that is a is equal to 2. One value 16. Now to find b, put that a is equal to 2 either in equation 1 or equation 2. Now equation 1 ಅಥವಾ equation 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Now equation 1 gives or if you take equation 2, no problem. What is equation 1? 2a, but you know the value of a value 2 plus b is equal to 5. 2a value 2 plus b is equal to 5. Simplify, 2 into 2 4 plus b is equal to 5. Rearrange, therefore b is equal to 5 plus 4 goes to right side minus 4. So b is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. So find the value of a and b. A value 2, b value 1. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ. At the point x equal to 2 ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ at the point x equal to 10 again solve it. Then solving those two equation to find the value of a and b. Okay, next problem. Find the relationship between a and b so that the function f defined by f of x is equal to ax plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 3, f of x equal to bx plus 3 if x is more than 3 is continuous function at the point x equal to 3. Now here inequalities are given, so we can apply condition number 1 for the continuity. So what is condition 1? LHL is equal to RHL. Now to find left hand limit. Now definition of left hand limit is limit of f of x as x tends to a value given 3 minus, that is limit x tends to 3 minus. Select the function f of x such that x is less than 3. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x less than 3 corresponding value ax plus 1. Put x equal to 3, a into 3 plus 1, that is 3a plus 1. This is LHL. Then to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 3 plus. Select the function f of x such that x is more than 3 corresponding value bx plus 3. Put x equal to 3, b into 3 plus 3, that is 3b plus 3. Okay, since the function f of x is continuous, that is given, already the given data is continuous. ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ at the point x equal to 3. Therefore by definition of continuity left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, but left hand limit value 3a plus 1, right hand limit value 3b plus 3. Simplify, 3a plus 1 minus 3b minus 3 is equal to 0. Take equal on right side, minus 3b minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here 3a minus 3b, among these two what is common? 3 common, a minus b, correct? Plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0, plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies 3 of a minus b is equal to minus 2 goes to right side plus 2, divide by 3, a minus b is equal to 2 divided by 3. Therefore a is equal to 2 by 3 minus b goes to right side plus b, or b is equal to a is equal to 2 by 3 plus b, or b is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a minus 2 by 3. This is the relation between a and b. A value either 2 by 3 plus b, or b is equal to a minus 2 by 3. This is the relationship between a and b. Okay, for problem, last problem in continuity problem, determine the value of k if f of x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x. If x is not equal to 0, f of x equal to k if x equal to 0 is continuous function at the point x is equal to 0. Already the given data is continuous function. then to find the value of k. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ inequality mention ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so that you can apply whether condition 1 or condition 2 for continuity. Apply condition number 2. What is that condition? To find the limit. Now limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0. What is f of x value? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. Now check it whether given function is continuous function, whether the given data is finite or infinite or indeterminate. You have to check it. Put x equal to 0, 1 minus cos 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 0, cos 0 value 1, 1 minus 1, 0, divided by 1 minus cos x value 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. It is in the form 0 by 0, indeterminate. So simplify given function. Limit x tends to 0. You know that 1 minus cos 2x using multiple angle formula. Do you remember the value of 1 minus cos 2x? Multiple angle formula 2 sin square x. Whereas in the denominator 1 minus cos x using submultiple angle formula, same 2 sin square x by 2, because it is submultiple, numerator is multiple, 2x is multiple angle, x is submultiple angle. Remember that formula using multiple and submultiple angle. This formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Already well learned in first PU in the subject of trigonometry. Using multiple angle, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. Remember, 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. This is submultiple angle. Now here 2 get cancelled. That is limit x tends to 0. Okay. Now limit power 2. Sin x, again using submultiple angle. You know what is that? 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 whole power 2. Now here sin x submultiple angle formula, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 whole power 2 divided by denominator as it is 2 sin square x by 2. Right? Then further simplify. Limit x tends to 0, expand it, 2 square 4 sin square x by 2 into cos square x by 2, 2 square 4 sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 divided by denominator sin square x by 2. Correct? Now here sin square x by 2 sin square x by 2 cancel. Now apply the limit, that is 4 constant take outside. Limit x tends to 0, cos square x by 2. Okay. Now put x equal to 0. Is it finite or infinite? Check it. Cos square x value 0 by 2. That is 4 times cos square 0 by 2 is 0. That is 4 cos 0 degree 1, its square, that is 1 square is 1 into 4. So limit value is 4. Since the function, the given function f of x is continuous function at the point x is equal to 0, that is given, right? So by definition of continuity, apply condition number 2 for the continuity. What is that? Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. You know that limit of f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a is defined. The value of a is here 0. This implies limit of f of x as x tends to 0 value 4. F of x at x equal to 0, f of 0 value k. Therefore, the value of k is 4. Right? ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಇಸ್ 4. ನೋಡಿರಿ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಈಸ್ 2 ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 2 ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2. But 1 minus cos x is sub multiple angle 2 sin square x by 2. 2 cancel. Now sin x leave it power 2. Sin x again using sub multiple angle 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole power 2 divided by denominator as it is. In the numerator expand it 2 square 4 sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 divided by sin square x by 2. Sin square x by 2 sin square x by 2 cancel. 4 constant outside into limit of cos square x by 2 as x tends to 0. Put x equal to 0. X value 0 hakidare 0 by 2 is 0. Cos 0 degree is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 into 4, 4. Since the function is continuous at x equal to 0, by definition of continuity, condition number 2, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. But limiting value is 4. F of 0 value that is given, f of x at x equal to 0 value is k, therefore k is equal to 4. Okay, so this completes part E. Nodri part E dalle ಎರಡು ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 49A 49B 50th A 50th B. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವಲ್ಲ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ part E. Okay, next we will discuss part C question, that is 3 mark question, so that we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.